Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine. May Allah save you from all the evils and diseases. Today we will do unit number 2, lesson number 3 from page 12. Listen the story. I will give a pause after one sentence. You have to read it after me. After listening, we will do its difficult words, sentence making, and will answer the questions at the end. Now listen carefully and speak it after me. Tariq lived in a tall block of flats in Lahore. He had three kites. One kite was blue with a yellow tail. One kite was orange with a white tail. One kite was red with a green tail. Tariq liked the red kite best. Please, will you help me to fly my kites, Dad? He asked. Well, I'll try. His father smiled. But I'm not good at flying kites. Let's go up to the roof. They took the kites up to the roof. Oh, look, said his father. There's Mr. Riaz. He's reading. Don't make too much noise or he'll be angry. Mr. Riaz was sitting on a mat. He did not look at Tariq and his father. Tariq took the blue kite. First it went up, then it fell down. They, they tried again. At last the kite flew up into the sky. Well done, said Tariq's father. The blue kite looked lovely. At that moment, a black kite appeared. Tariq saw a tall boy wearing a purple cap on the roof of the flats next door. He was laughing. Please don't cut down my kite, shouted Tariq. Don't shout, said his father. Mr. Riaz will be angry. Pull the string. The tall boy laughed again. He cut down Tariq's blue kite with his black one. Down it fell, down into the street below. Don't worry, said Tariq's father. Let's fly the orange kite. First it went up, then it fell down. They tried again. At last, the kite flew up into the sky. Well done, said Tariq's father. It looked lovely. But then the black kite appeared. Oh no, shouted Tariq. Please don't cut down my kite. Please, please. Don't shout, said the father. Mr. Riaz will be angry. Pull the string. The tall boy laughed. He cut down Tariq's orange kite with his black one. Down it fell, down into the street below. Oh dear, Tariq cried. Now I've only got one kite and I like the red one best. Shh, shh, don't cry, said Tariq's father. Come here, said a voice behind them. They turned round. It was Mr. Riaz. Fine, you have listened the story. Now let's see the dictation verse. I'm going to read them out and you have to read it after me. The first one is flying, kite, smiled, appeared, lovely, down, laughing, street, left, below, reading, wearing, shouted, worry, tired, and Lahore. Now see, here is a list of words with their parts of speech and the meanings. The first one is kite. It's a noun, a toy made of paper. Shout, it's a verb. It means to speak loudly. String, noun. a thin rope or cord. Below, adverb, lower down. Lovely, adjective, very beautiful. Here comes our sentence making. Fine, students. I'm going to make one sentence for you, and the next sentence you will make by yourself. So, the first word is flat. Ali lives in a flat. Now, you have to make the sentence by yourself in this line. The next word is kite. My brother likes to fly kite. Lovely. She has a lovely doll. Shout. Do not shout on others. String. I have many strings in my house. I hope you all have heard the story well. Now you can answer the questions given at the end of the story. Let's see the questions. Where did Tariq live? So the answer is he lived in a tall block of flats in Lahore. Now question number 2. How many kites did Tariq has? He had 3 kites. Why did the boy laugh? The boy laughed because he cut down Tariq's kite. What was the tall boy wearing? He was wearing a purple cap. Okay, thank you students for listening the lesson. All you have to do is to do this on your homework copies, on your text English copies. Fine. And write your names at the top right corner of the page and send it on the school website. Thank you very much.